Hello boss, this is Shobos from Index. Are you still finding the laser printing baking machine for Indian electric? Now we are here. Our company produced the laser printing baking machine. Look at this sample. How clean. It's automatically print on the tube, but when you shake it, it's not printing will not gone. Will not go. But when you see this sample, when you shake on the print, it's very easily to go, easy to remove. So now you don't need to worry about the printing because our company produces machine. Look at this. This is LED display. This is outside version. We also can make it for you. In this version, also other country languages, no problem. So whatever you want to print on the tube, you just write it down here. If you want to print any pictures, any company logo, any company it automatically prints for you. You can put it anything by this mouse and cable. Also, you can use it USB. You can put it whatever you want to print. Now I'm gonna tell you the process. And this is printing tube roller. Now this tube so by the printing machine. Look at this. It's automatically print on the tube. Look at this. This is my company name. We are automatically printing on the tube. After finishing this part, then this automatically printing and shaking. So this plate diameter is 20 millimeter. Then carry diameter is 10 millimeter. This machine is speed with 1,500 pieces 1 hour. So it's very quickly. This machine will work like this. This is actually made for the customer requirement. So if you want, you can also make for your requirement whatever you want. If you want to print the big one, this is a small. Look at this. If you want to big one, we also can produce. We have to make for you big one. Just add the plate. Add the plate, then it will be okay. So this machine can save you time, save you manually printing in your industry. So if you need this machine, please feel free to contact with us. Please give us share and like. That's all. Students, see you. Bye bye.